Good morning, your mad dogs. Today we have to take out the CV joints to go and get new ones. I need to take them out because I need to take samples to the place where I get them from. So another DIY video regarding to how to take out CV joints and get them replaced. The Ford is currently behind me. I need to put it into Tinus's garage quick so I can take off the CV bolts and get them out so I can take the 1400 down there to the pot shop to replace them. I need to do this as fast as I can because there's some other things I want to try and attend to, and hopefully this will take away the weird shake that is currently on the Ford. I've replaced everything on the front suspension wise, as you guys have seen in the videos, so hopefully this will solve my shaking problem. Let's go.
Cold start, guys. Move a little bit back.
To get started, we have to jack up the car and take off the wheels. I'm not going to bore you with that because we've taken off the wheels probably 5 or 6 times in the last few videos. Take off the wheels, get the trestles underneath the car, and then I get to explaining what you need to do to be able to take out the CV joints. So in order to get out the CV, we're going to have to loosen the tie rod end and then also take out the ball joint so we have enough play so we can remove the full CV from the gearbox. I'm going to loosen those quick and then we can get to pulling out the CVs. This is a 15, I don't know, depending on what tire range you got, but this is a 15 on my car. Yeah, you just want to get it nice and loose. And like I said last time, you just want to leave it on just enough so that you're able to tap it with the hammer to get it out of this little joint. The next thing will be the ball joint, which is also a 15, and for me I have an LED because I stripped my bolts previously. That should be hand tight. Now we need to get a hammer so we can tap the outer tie rod end, and then we use the breaker to separate the ball joint from the hub. You removed your tie rod end and your ball joint using your breaker, then you're gonna get, I think this is a 32, which is on Tinus's bucket, so we'll wait for Tinus to get back for the 32. We're gonna loosen up the other side so long so that we can just take out the CV once he gets back. I was mistaken, my Mac Africa box has a 32 in, so now we're just going to loosen up that bolt of the CV. It's a size 32 on my Ford, I'm not sure what size it is. On other Fords it should be a 32. So we got the CV nuts off. I already tapped it a little bit, so we'll just slide it out.
Brennan is trying to get this bad boy out.
Loosen the cable tie that's around your CV boot, and then we're going to pull it out of the gearbox. It's quite a stubborn one. We're going to replace the inner and the outer, and just like that she falls out. You can see this grease is quite milky already. I think it's pretty worn out. I think this is maybe the one that has been vibrating, but we'll take it in and see if they can give us a new one. Yes, both sides. You can see it's already out. So that's how damaged this CV is. So we just need to pop it out of the hub, and then we can pull it out of out, and then she should slide out. And now we're gonna get the off she goes. CVs are out. Okay guys, we need to remove that bolt and the one at the back to get out this head. And then we need to remove this inner part of the CV as well out of the gearbox. So I'm just going to loosen those. These are 13mm nuts that we have to take off, then we can slide it out. So as you can see, we've got both sides inner and outer CVs out. We are going to head to that spare shop now to see if they have stock of these. If not, then I'm kind of in trouble. We have just collected the parts for the 1400. We've actually gotten full inner and outer CV with new shafts and everything, so this should make sure that there's no more issues with the Ford, but we're going to put it in now. We just got home now. I just want to show you quickly. We got the complete inner and outer CV, no assembly required, same for the other side. So guys, I will actually be stocking these. If you are busy doing your Ford and you need to replace inner and outer CVs, you can message me or email me down below. I do stock a range and variety of other Ford parts as well. I'll be making a whole catalog, and I will be creating a website where you guys can order online. Majority of the time, some of the stuff we do need samples, especially with the different year models. If it is required, I'll arrange with you via email how we will work regarding that. But we are going to slam these in quickly, and then hopefully we'll see if the Ford has stopped shaking.
So Brandon is quickly opening up the CV drive shaft.
That's at least they counted them all, but it should be perfect. Yeah, no, just want to check this blind is the same.
So Brandon, what are you guys trying to do?
Easy.
Is it in?
Okay. Next thing, we need to just put back our CV nut. I'm going to use the old one just because it has the washer on. Okay, and then you want to tighten it nicely. I hope. Okay guys, so this is the long shaft. Other side went in very smoothly. We tightened the CV nut, and now it's time to put in the longer CV. What's nice about these parts is no assembly required. You just slide them in and then fasten all the bolts and the nuts. My shaft.
I need a knife.
New bearing. These marks, so you know that things aren't going to be moving around.
It is around here.
Yeah. Axle nut. Then we put this one in.
done. We're quickly gonna get the Ford off the jack. I'm not sure why Brandon jacking it up again. Oh yeah, he's just gonna get the trestles out the car. Then he's gonna lure the Ford. So I'm gonna give you guys a shot how he's luring it. Very fast. They forgot to put I'm not sure what they call it, but it's like a wooden thingy, and I'm gonna put there. I can put one. They're just gonna get a brick. It's not even a full brick, but it will work. And yeah, then it is done, guys. So very quickly, I'm gonna reverse us out. Ford.
That is going to end off today's video. Ethan's going on like a madman here behind me. I'm going to go test out the car now. If there's anything that I pick up, I will resume this video. But thank you guys for joining in. Hope you learned something new again today. CVs are actually pretty easily once you have them out of the gearbox. I can't actually drive with this car. I haven't followed the gearbox oil. I forgot about that. So we will be taking the bucket quickly to drop off Booty. And then when we come back, we'll put in gearbox oil. Then we will end off the video. And that is going to wrap it up officially. We filled the gearbox with the right oil, the right amount. I'll put the type of oil that the Ford Figo gearbox uses down below here. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in for all the DIY and service videos of the last couple of weeks. I hope you've learned some things. Please remember to hit that like. It doesn't cost you anything. Subscribe if you haven't been already. Majority, like 80% of you guys that watch the videos aren't subscribed. So please do subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Memphis, man.